So to send email in Brightspace, we're going to click on the message alerts icon that looks like an envelope. When we click on that, you're going to see instant messages and email. We're going to click on email because we want to send an email to someone in the class. So when the window opens, you'll see your folder list on the left-hand side. You'll see your inbox where you can compose, refresh, or do folder management. You can create folders to store your messages in. To compose a message, you're going to click on Compose. This is going to open up the message window where you're going to select from the address book who you want to send this email to. You'll fill in your subject line, type your message, and send your email. The tricky part about this is you always need to use your address book. So you have to click on the address book in the corner. We are going to search for a contact. If you scroll down the screen, you will see your contacts. I want to send an email to student A, and since I want to send it to them, I am just going to select to, and it populates it into your message. I'm also going to send a copy of this email to the faculty member. Okay, and again, I'm going to send a carbon copy, so I hit CC. And this fills in your information. Scroll down and you'll see add recipients down at the bottom of the screen. Since I'm only sending it to a faculty and a carbon copy to someone else, I am going to add recipients. They're populated into the email message. Where it says subject, you're going to type a short subject. Don't use this for sending half your message, just a short subject line. Come down in the next box and type in your message. You will see that it says, this is a notification only. Replies will not be received. To reply to this message, log in to Brightspace. What this is saying is basically you're going to send this to your faculty member, to a friend. They're going to receive this message in their Gmail account, and they won't be able to respond to it from their Gmail account. They have to come back into Brightspace and reply to the email within the Brightspace system. So this is just kind of a notification about that. When you're done typing your message, and you can also scroll down and upload and record and send things like you could with any normal email, click on Send. Okay, you get a message that it says it was sent successfully, and you get an email notification that it has been sent. I go into the sent, and it should be here that the message was sent. So that is how easy it is to create an email message. When someone replies to you, you'll see a red dot above the message alert icon. That's to let you know that someone has sent you an email and that you can log into Brightspace and reply to it. That's as easy as it gets.